So here this area is a power pack area, and now I am going to remove this. So once you remove this, turn it off. Here you can see the battery is here. Now I am going to remove it. Just the flick you can remove, but don't push more. Okay, so do it properly. So if you have a nail, if you have a nail, then it is quite easy, or use some other tools to remove it. But be careful, because here you can see the spring over there. So if you push much more, and it will be like it will bend off. Okay, now I'm going to install this. Are you able to see this plus symbol over here? Yeah, and here also. Okay, that means this side would be upwards and this side would be downwards. I am going to install this. Watch it. Just put the battery downwards, the last spring over there, and the spring automatically is inside. Just a gentle push. Okay, when you do that, it will go inside. Okay, just a gentle push, don't push much. So now you're supposed to close the power pack. Here it is. See this how? Okay, I'm going to close this one. Yeah, that's it. The microphone is ready now. We change the battery. Okay, thanks for watching the video.